an automotive beast that reshaped performance history. The 1966 Shelby Cobra 427 still commands respect like no other. A machine born from the visionary mind of Carroll Shelby, it was created to dominate both the streets and the track, setting new benchmarks in speed, design, and sheer power. But is this legendary muscle roadster still the ultimate icon of raw performance? Before we dive into the breathtaking details of this mechanical marvel, make sure to be a part of our ever-growing community, where timeless classics and modern powerhouses are explored with unfiltered passion and precision. With its lightweight aluminum body and aggressive stance, the 1966 Shelby Cobra 427 was designed for one thing: outright speed. Built to challenge the best of European racing machines, this American masterpiece featured a widened chassis, flared fenders, and an aerodynamic profile that enhanced stability at high speeds. The signature side exit exhaust pipes, hood scoop, and chrome roll bar added to its menacing presence, making it an instant icon in the automotive world. Under the hood, the heart of this beast was the legendary 427 cubic inch Ford V8 engine, delivering an earth-shattering 425 horsepower. However, some models equipped with the competition package pushed this output beyond 500 horsepower, making the Cobra one of the fastest cars of its time. A 4-speed manual transmission transferred power to the rear wheels, providing a driving experience that was both exhilarating and unforgiving. With a 0-60 mph time of just over 4 seconds, this roadster proved that brute force could be refined into a track-worthy weapon. The interior was a blend of simplicity and purpose, reflecting its racing heritage. A wood-rimmed steering wheel, Smith's instrumentation, and lightweight bucket seats, with minimal padding kept the focus entirely on driving. Every detail served a purpose, no unnecessary luxury, just pure adrenaline-pumping performance. Even today, stepping inside a Cobra 427 feels like entering a time machine built for speed. Over the years, various modifications and replicas have emerged, but the original Shelby-built models remain the most sought after. Production was limited, making surviving examples extremely valuable. Pristine factory original models with documented history have crossed auction blocks for well over $1.5 million, while high-quality replicas still demand six-figure prices. Even decades later, the 1966 Shelby Cobra 427 remains a symbol of unfiltered power and American muscle at its finest. It is a car that doesn't just turn heads, it shakes the ground beneath it. But does this classic still hold its throne as the ultimate performance roadster? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more legendary automotive content.